Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove the buzzing sound coming from microphone. A lot of people suffer from this. Suddenly their microphone start making buzzing sounds. So in this video I'm going to show you how to solve this problem. I have connected an external mic, so I'm going to show you how to do it. First you have to go to control panel, then you have to search for speak recognition. Go to that, then you have to see in the left side top advanced search option. In that you'll open dialog box. In this dialog box you can see the microphone working down here, so you have to go to audio input. It will open dialog box. In this you have to see recording. You have to go to microphone which is working. You can check by tapping on it. This one's working. Sorry for that. Open this one microphone. You have to go to levels. You can see I've already fixed it, so I have plus 12 decibels. So in your case it might have been to 24 or 36, so you can see the noise coming in. So if this is the case in your PC, you can reduce it to 12. If you turn it to 0, the sound will be really low, so you have to turn it to 12 decibels. So don't alter with this thing, or you can completely turn off your microphone. So if it happens, so you have to restore defaults. So pretty sure that this will help you out, and thanks for watching. More stuff coming up soon. Thank you.